What's up, beautiful people? Today I have the Glossybox for the month of June for you guys. When I first opened it, they have these little Vital Proteins collagen peptides. I'm so excited to try these because I love taking collagen. I actually tried the Vital Proteins. I think they have like a strawberry something. It has like some kind of flavor to it and I didn't like it. Hopefully I will like this one because this one is unflavored, so you can just mix it into whatever you want. And let's go ahead and jump into the Glossybox this month. This month there isn't any theme or anything like that. It's just the regular little Glossybox right here. And as always, when I first open it, they have the little pamphlet. It says Poolside Paradise Edition. And let's go ahead and jump in. As always, they always display their things very lovely. They always have a ribbon and tissue paper. If that is your jam, you will enjoy that. They always have like those little details in these boxes. And first thing in here is something that seems to be full size. Wow, look at that. And this is the Seed Phytonutrients full size moisturized conditioner. This is worth $18. And it is made out of 60% less plastic. It almost looks like, it almost looks like a carton. Hopefully it doesn't get damaged in the bath. That's my only concern with this, is because you know, it's kind of like carton. I'm afraid when it gets wet in the shower, so we will see. But this has hydrating meadowform seed oil for dry, damaged hair. Let me just, and it has a nice smell to it. I wouldn't say it's like my all-time favorite kind of smell, but it smells kind of like more on the natural side. And it says it's vegan, silicone free, and it does have meadowfoam seed. It's supposed to hydrate hair and manage dry ends. We shall see. Next thing in here is another full-size product, and this is the Nobay Equalized Freedom Low pH Hemp and Gentle Tea Gentle Cleanser. Whoa, that was a mouthful. This is $18.20. It's supposed to be your first step in day or night. It removes daily dirt, impurities, and is a cruelty-free gel. And I know the bottle seems small, but it does have 4.22 ounces, which is pretty good for $18. So we'll see if I enjoy that. Next thing in here is a deluxe mini. This is the Piper Y Natural Deodorant Cream. Ooh, I have been curious about this. I've heard a lot of people talk about a lot of these deodorant creams where you like put the cream actually in like areas, and what it is, it's a 1 ocean waste plastic product from Piper Way is equal to 10 plastic bags out of the ocean. Wow, that's really nice. And this deluxe mini is worth $6. The full size is $13. So if I like it, I will order it because I do like natural deodorant and using natural deodorants. And it says that it has clean ingredients, it melts into your armpits, absorbs moisture, and provides long-lasting odor protection, making it sustainable and effective. So that is really cool. They have recyclable packaging, and like what I read, it does help with the ocean plastic. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a gray putty, and it has a herbally smell to it. I will definitely be trying this out and see if I like it. It's gonna be kind of weird to like put my fingers and like put it all up in there underneath the arms, you know, because a lot of times I use aluminum free natural deodorants, but they're kind of like regular deodorants where you just, you know, it's a bar and you put it up. Next thing in here is the Josephine Cosmetics Full Size Do You the Flawless Liquid Highlighter in the shade Claire. This is $36, and let's see. It says glamorously healthy. Ooh, she is fancy looking. Let's see what the shade looks like. Oh wow, that is, I think this is a little too light for me. I will probably give this to someone who's more fair. It's one of those very, very light pinky shades, and I feel like this will go really well with someone who is extremely fair, which I'm more on the light to almost medium shade, but it looks very beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, gee. The last thing in here is the Pelly Annie Deluxe Mini. This is, oh, and that Josephine thing is $36 for the highlight. This is a face oil by Pelly Annie. This Deluxe Mini is worth $8, and it's supposed to give you more it's like an ageless concentrate. Let me see. So it does have some kind of extracts that are from the Philippines. It's supposed to moisturize, revitalize, and nourish your skin. We shall see about that. Wow, when they said mini, they was not lying. It's like a little itty bitty baby bottle, but with these kind of oils, you only need like a drop or two. And it has like an organic smell that, when I say organic smells like that, I don't even know how to explain it. Kind of like those like essential oil kind of smell to it. And if you're not a fan of that, then anytime I say organic kind of natural smell, yeah, that's not for you. But if you do like those kind of smells, then you would like those products. And yeah, we shall see with this little oil, but I think that you only probably need like a drop or two, because with oils, you don't want to be like a full-on oil slick putting, you know, oils on your face. And that is it for this box. I really enjoy the fact that they have quite a few full-size products in this box. There's 3 out of the 5 are full size, and I like that a lot better. I feel like a lot of times Glossybox has a lot of deluxe minis, and a lot of people want to see more full-size products. So I feel like hopefully they are going in that direction. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. Is this something for you? I know Glossybox is different as far as like the products that they put in, and a lot of them are related to like the environment and being clean and things like that. So if you like those kinds of products, this is the subscription for you. They always give me like a coupon code that you guys can use if you want to try it out, so I will put that down below. And that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that red button if you want to keep watching beauty content. I do have my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.